Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Our shape chapter is going on and previous session we have learned about the circle. What is circle? Then what is the parts of circle like radius, diameter, chord and how to draw the circle with the help of radi. Okay. Then also how to find the radius with the formula. Yes, radius is equal to diameter upon 2 and how to find the diameter with the help of radius. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. And children, now you know how to find diameter, radius and how to draw the circle, okay, of given radius. So children, today we are going to learn three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shape means 3D shape. What is meant by 3D shape? So three-dimensional shapes, or we call it solid shapes. Yes, are the objects having three measurements. Yes, which one? That is length. Yes, length, breadth and height. Yes children, and these shapes are called three-dimensional shapes. Okay children, there are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder. These are the solid shapes and you have learned about this in previous class. Okay, see here I am showing you cube shape. Yes, see, this is a cube shape or this is a object or solid shape of cube. Yes, see, this ball is in sphere shape. Yes, see, this is cone shape. And you know children, see, this marker pen is in cylinder shape. Now today we are going to learn about the vertex, face and edge of the solid shapes or 3D shapes. Okay children, see here, face. A face is a surface of a solid shape. See here, this is cube shape and this is the face of the cube. This is also the face of the cube. Plane surface. Yes children, a face is a surface of a solid shape. Okay, then edge. An edge is a line segment where two faces meet. See here in this cube, this face and this face, where it join, this, it is called edge of that shape. Okay children, next one, vertex. A vertex is a point where the edges meet. Okay, now see here, this is a edge. Yes, here is also edge, and where these edges meet, this point is called vertex. Okay children, one more time, this is a face of the solid shape. Then this line where two faces meet, this line is called edge, and where two edges meet, this point is called vertex. Okay, now we are going to count the surfaces, edges and vertices of these solid shapes. Okay, so first cube. Cube, face, edge and vertices. Okay. See here, this is cube. Now, how many faces this cube have? We will count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, backside 5 and this downside 6. So how many faces cube have? Cube have 6 faces. Okay. Now edges. Yes, you know the faces joined. This line is called edge. So how many edges this cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, upside. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. So then 9, 10, 11 and 12. So children, how many edges cube have? Cube have 12 edges. Okay. Now vertices. Yes, vertices. See this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 5, 6, 7, 8. This edges joints means this point. How many vertices cube have? Cube have 8 vertices. Okay children. Now cuboid. I didn't show you cuboid shape. Okay, wait. Now we have to count faces, edges and vertices of cuboid shape. Okay. Yes children. See, this box is in cuboid shape and this box also have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, backside 5 and downside 6. So cuboid have 6 faces. Now edges. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cuboid also have 8 edges. And what about the vertices 8. Okay. Edges. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 5, 6, 7, 8 and downside 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes. Edges are 12 edges cuboid have. Okay. Now vertices. Vertices. See the joint of the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cuboid also have 8 vertices. Okay. So cube and cuboid have same faces, same edges, same vertices. Okay children. Now cylinder shape. Okay. Cylinder means this marker pen. Okay. Now see faces of this cylinder shape. This upside flat surface, downside flat surface means cylinder have 2 flat surface and this 1 curved surface. Okay. So how many faces cylinder have? Cylinder have 3 faces. Okay. Then how many edges cylinder have? How many vertices cylinder have? Yes, edges. This flat surface joint here, this flat surface joint here means cylinder have 2 edges. Okay. Yes. don't have a vertex. Okay, so how many vertices? 0 vertices cylinder has. So faces 3, edges 2 and vertices 0. Okay. Now next shape, cone. Faces of cone, edges of cone and vertices of cone. Okay. See, cone shape. Yes, this is curve face. Okay, means one curve shape cone have and one flat surface. So how many faces? 2 faces. Okay. Now what about the edge? See here, this curve surface start from here and end here. So cone have one edge. Okay. And vertex. Yes. This upside point, children, you see the birthday cap, yes, or ice cream cone, one upside, the point, it's called the vertex. So cone have one vertex, 2 faces and 1 edges. Now sphere shape. Faces, edges and vertices of sphere. Sphere shape means, children, football, tennis ball, cricket ball or globe. Yes, globe is also in sphere shape. Okay. Now come on. See the face of sphere. This is a one curved surface. Okay. So sphere have one curved surface. Okay. Now what about the edge? See where it joined. So, and vertex, there is no point here. So, the edge and vertices don't have to sphere shape. So, edge is 0 and vertices 0. Okay, children. Now you know about the faces, edges and vertices of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Children, I hope now you have understood about the faces, edges and vertices of the solid shapes. Okay, children. Now here you have to complete exercise 7.4. First question is, write the shape of the following object. Yes, geometry box. You know geometry box means in cuboid shape. Yes. So you have to write there cuboid. Smiley ball, sphere. Ice cube, cube shape. Okay. Now second question, name a solid shape with only one vertex. Now tell me, if there is only one vertex, where is, yes, see here, only one vertex means which shape? Cone shape. Okay. Next, no flat surface. Yes, no flat surface. Which shape have no flat surface? Sphere have no flat surface. Sphere have only one curved surface. So you have to write there sphere. Then exactly 2 flat faces. Yes, 2 flat faces. See, 2 flat faces cylinder have. So you have to write there cylinder. Okay, children. Like this you have to complete question number 1, question number 2. question number 3, we have to skip this question number 3. Then question number 5 also we have to skip. We are going to skip this question number 3 and 5 because this net we will learn in grade 5. Okay. Now question number 4 is there. Write the number of faces, edges and vertices of the following figures. Yes children, cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone, you have to write the faces, edges and vertices of this face. See here, I wrote all the faces, edges and vertices of this cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere shape. So from this you have to complete the question 4. Okay children, I hope you have understood about the 3-dimensional shapes. Thank you.